Do you want to double your money? Of course you do. Who doesn't? But let's be honest, most people go about it the wrong way. They either play it so safe that their money grows slower than a snail on vacation, or they gamble everything on some next big thing and end up with a zero balance and a broken heart. Today, I'm showing you how to double your money using smart, simple, real-world rules. No hype, no gimmicks, and no need to sell your soul to some sketchy get-rich-quick course. And hey, if you're here because you actually care about your future, go ahead and smash that like button right now. Not for me, for your future bank account. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. I drop videos like this every week to help you make, grow, and keep more money. All right, let's get into it. Ever heard of the Rule of 72? No, it's not a Netflix thriller. It's actually one of the simplest and most powerful formulas in personal finance. Here's how it works. Take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual return. That tells you how many years it'll take for your money to double. So let's say you're getting an 8% return each year. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. That means your money will double in just 9 years. Start with $1,000, it becomes $2,000, then $4,000, then $8,000, and you didn't even break a sweat. This is why people say time is money, because the earlier you start investing, even small amounts, the more chances your money has to double and double again and again. Most people underestimate what they can do in 20 years and overestimate what they can do in 2 months. But doubling your money, that's not a fantasy. It's basic math. And if that just blew your mind a little, go ahead and pause the video, hit that like button, and maybe send this to a friend who still thinks a savings account is a wealth strategy. Now here's something you won't hear in most finance guru videos. Humans are terrible at sticking to good habits. Yeah, I said it. We mean well, we try, but when payday comes, boom, the sneakers call our name. The food delivery app looks irresistible. That gym membership canceled before we even showed up. That's why rich people rely on systems, not motivation. And one of the smartest systems you can use is automation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account into an investment account. You can do it weekly, monthly, whatever fits your flow. The point is, money should leave your spendable account before you even notice it. Think of it like paying yourself first, because if you wait until after the bills, fun, and impulse shopping, there's never anything left. And I mean never. Automation takes the human error out of wealth building. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't debate it every day, you just do it. Except instead of keeping your breath fresh, it keeps your financial future looking real good. If you've ever said, I'll invest next month and then forgot, yeah, we've all been there. Let's stop pretending. Set it, forget it. Let the money grow. Also, if you're still watching at this point, that means you're serious about your money. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. You clearly care more than the average person, and that already puts you way ahead. Now, this next rule might be the hardest to follow, but it's also one of the most important. Stop chasing trends. I get it. Your group chat is blowing up about some hot stock. Your cousin's talking about a new coin. Some influencer just made 10K overnight and is now telling you to buy the dip. It's tempting, it's exciting, but it's also usually garbage. Most of the people who get rich quick also lose it even quicker. The real way to build wealth, the kind that lasts, is by investing in things you actually understand and things that have stood the test of time. Think about it. Boring index funds have been quietly making people rich for decades. Real estate, small businesses, diversified portfolios. Not sexy, but solid. Warren Buffett didn't make his fortune by chasing meme stocks. He got rich by being boring, consistent, and patient. That's it. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to be rich. Quietly, consistently, confidently. And if you've ever lost money chasing hype, it's okay. We've all done it. Just don't let it happen again. If you're still hanging with me, drop an emoji in the comments. Let's see who the real long-term thinkers are. Let's keep going. Here's a mindset shift that will change everything. Don't spend your returns, reinvest them. Say you've got some dividends coming in from a stock or some interest from an investment account. Instead of cashing out and treating yourself to a night out, reinvest it. That's where the real magic of compound interest kicks in. Your money earns money. Then that money earns more money. Then that money starts making babies. Okay, not literally, but you get the point. This is how people go from a few $1,000s to six-figure portfolios over time. Not by adding huge amounts, but by reinvesting everything. It's like planting a tree, watching it grow fruit, and instead of eating the fruit, planting more trees. Before you know it, you've got a whole orchard. This takes discipline, but it pays off way more than most people can imagine. And by the way, if you're still with me, I gotta give you props. You clearly take this stuff seriously. So just in case you haven't yet, hit that like button, or don't. But your future self might look back and say, thanks for starting when you did. Now here's one of the most slept on rules in personal finance. Buy assets, not junk. Most people spend money on things that lose value the second they buy them. New clothes, overpriced gadgets, fancy cars, drinks with tiny umbrellas. But the wealthy, they buy things that make them money.
A camera you use to make YouTube videos, asset. A rental property that brings in cash every month, asset. Even investing in a skill that helps you earn more, yup, still an asset. Every dollar you earn can either be used to impress people for 5 seconds or to build something that pays you for life. Ask yourself, every time you buy something, does this help my money grow or does it just make me feel good for 10 minutes? Start treating every dollar like an employee. Don't just let it sit around doing nothing. Put it to work, make it earn. And if you're nodding along right now, I see you. Drop a comment with one smart financial move you're making this year. Doesn't have to be big, just real. We've talked a lot about what to do, but there's one thing that ties it all together. The most important rule of all. Be patient. I know. Patience isn't sexy, but neither is being broke. Most people lose the game because they quit too early. They invest for 3 months, don't see results, and give up. They want to turn $100 into $100,000 overnight. But the truth is, wealth takes time. Like real time. You don't plant a seed and dig it up every 2 days to see if it's growing, right? Same with your money. Give it time. Give it consistency. Give it space to breathe and multiply. The stock market has dips. Real estate goes through cycles. But over time, it all grows. So stay in the game. Don't let short-term noise make you forget your long-term goals. In 10 years, future you will either thank you for staying consistent or wish you had started today. Let's make sure it's the first one. If this video helped shift your mindset, even just a little, subscribe. We're building something here, and I want you on the journey. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the rules to double your money. 1. Use the rule of 72 and start early. 2. Automate your investing because life gets busy. 3. Avoid chasing hype. Slow and steady wins. 4. Reinvest every dollar. Don't eat the fruit, plant more trees. 5. Buy assets, not junk. Your future self will thank you. 6. Be patient because wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. You made it to the end of the video, which already puts you ahead of 95% of people who never finish what they start. Now it's time to act. Drop a comment and tell me, which of these rules are you already doing? And which one are you going to start today? Like this video if it helped you see money in a new way. Subscribe if you want more real talk without the fluff. And send this to someone who's always saying they want to grow their money. This could be exactly what they need. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, it's not about getting rich fast. It's about getting rich for sure.